Good afternoon, guys. So we're in our hometown. We're off down our local moors, as you can see, to go and collect some firewood. We've got a meet to go to, RV meet to go to later in August, and a guy named Gaz has got a fire pit, and he's asked everyone to contribute to bringing some firewood. So we're going to pop down here to see what we can find, and Layla's here to give us a hand, ain't you, Layla? We're going to find some wood.
Yeah.
Samantha, you got the bag?
Got the bag.
Okay.
And the saw.
And the saw.
Yeah, but there's lots of wood on the floor. So.
Let's have a look what we can find then. It's nice down here. There you are. This is what we want. This has already been cut down. Look at this. This is what we want. That's nice, good wood. Yeah, that'll burn for a while, won't it? Let's see if we can cut some of that up.
Shelby.
The saw's not very good.
Shelby. Oh, what's this, Daddy? You've got broccoli all in the shoes.
Got broccoli?
Yeah, they're little broccoli.
Oh, God. Oh, my life.
Ah, Shelby! Snap it. Snap it. Ow. Daddy, you got broccoli in the shoe.
Broccoli?
Yes, they're little broccoli.
What's
They're little broccoli.
Oh, this saw's no good. There we go.
The dog thinks it's hers.
What? Can't get these little bits off.
Okay,
Oh, here we go.
just put it in the bag. Daddy's doing them too big for the bag, I think.
There we go. It's off.
Okay.
There we go.
Nearly fell over. Oh, got bits on me. I think this might be a bit thick because he can't cut it and he can't break it.
Saw's pretty crap.
It's most probably one of Dad's, so it's going to be older than us.
Daddy, why is the music playing?
Over the castle grounds, darling.
There we go.
Can I just say, every time you do that, your daughter's standing over there on the tree.
How's that looking?
I've got a few sticks. Need
I'm
to
out of
be
breath.
cut up- Need to be cut up a bit smaller though, but I think we can do that at home with the electric saw because
Okay. we
they're
can do
not
that.
going to fit on the fire pit.
Yeah, we'll cut them up a bit more at home. Where's Layla? Okay, Layla, let's have a walk back now.
No, she wants to ride a bike. We'll walk round.
Okay.
In the winter, that's
Any good? That's a good one, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, is that a bit heavy? It's too wet, I think.
It's not wet.
Isn't it?
No, only that far.
Right, the one Layla just found, I don't think we can take it because I can't even get the bloody bag off. It's, I think that one will have
I think we'll have to get that one out, Layla.
Oh my God, how heavy is it?
Shall we?
You might need a new blade. What? We've got loads of new blades. That's still too big.
What for?
The fire pit, isn't it?
No, it's not.
You sure?
Yeah, it's fine, Alice. It's fine.
Okay. Right, the saw we use down the moors compared to the electric jigsaw, which is working a lot better and less work for John. So he's not sweating so much now. And Shelby's helping as always, and at least she's not barking, which makes a change for our videos because she barks near enough on every single one of them. Last piece being cut. And now cleaning up, but the dog loves the broom. So it's like fighting a losing battle with this one.
There we go. There's our box. All cut up. Ready for the meat. See you soon, guys.